Hey, what's up, Aaron here? Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out Involve Asia, and maybe you're wondering, is this a good way for you to make money? All right, can you actually make a lot of money doing affiliate marketing through this platform, or is it a big waste of time? Let's check it out. Anytime you want to get my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 a month, 100% from home, click the link below, and I'll share with you my favorite strategy. Okay, let's check this all out. Okay, is Involve Asia good or bad? Right now, Involve Asia is basically a very big affiliate marketing network that's actually based in Asia. All right, they're based in Malaysia, but you don't only need to live in Malaysia in order to get access. You can be based in a few different countries. You can be based in the Philippines, in Singapore, in Vietnam, Cambodia, right, Thailand, and of course other countries as well. But essentially, they work with a lot of different businesses to offer their affiliate programs. So you can just come here, create a free account. It's very easy. You just click on login right here. All right, and then click on create account. And then you can just fill in the details and get set up. All right, so you can be anybody, it doesn't really matter. They will allow you to start reselling their products. Okay, so the important thing is, what do they have access to? So if you scroll down here, so these are some of the companies that they work with. They work with TikTok, they work with VPN, like ExpressVPN. They work with Kaspersky, Udemy, Lingola. These are some local people like Time Internet, okay? Photobook, okay? So a few different people. Let me just show you some of the different publishers you can work with. So for example, you can even work with people like Nike, JD Sports, Cotton On, right? You can see the commissions here, right? So if you sign up, for example, for the Nike package, and you grab the Nike link, if somebody buys from your Nike link, then you make 4.2% commissions on the purchase price. Okay, it's very low actually. We'll talk about this in a second, right? JD Sports 3.5%, Cotton On 5.6%. Generally speaking, any sort of fashion item or fashion brand, commissions are very low, right? Anything that's less than 30% commissions is considered low in the affiliate marketing industry, but this is pretty normal. Okay, it's going to be pretty hard. I mean, if you think about it, if you sign up for Amazon, right, Amazon Associates, they pay between 3 and 5% commissions as well. So it's not that Involve Asia is giving low commissions, it's that these companies give low commissions. So I just hope that you understand that, right? So let's look at some of the other categories like education, right? Udemy is a very big education platform where you can sell products. 10.5% commissions. Not bad, still considered really low. All right, Kinokuniya, one of the biggest bookshops in Malaysia, 4% commissions. I like to shop here, right? Really low. Okay, so yeah, again, you have to be careful with what you sell. So yes, you can get access to some cool brands and cool products here, right? But are you making a lot of money? I mean, look at these, right? Watson's 2%, Sephora 5%, Lumen 2.4 US dollars for the first trial. I mean, these are really low commissions. Okay, home and living right here, just so that you can understand, right? This is a little bit better, 30% commissions, right? I generally work with products between 50 and 70% commissions. So these right here are all really low to me, all right? And I'll talk about where you can, find some of these high commission products in a second, okay? So you can see here, Klook 5%, Ticket 7%, Cheap Oair $7 USD to get started, right? So, it's not bad, but again, they work with a lot of just really normal brands where they're selling either their service or their physical item, okay? And this is the reason why the commission rates are so low. All right, now if you're brand new to affiliate marketing, you don't understand how this works, you can literally come to Involve Asia, sign up, grab one of these links from Klook, for example, and then you can promote it online. And how do you promote it? Well, if you have a blog around travel, or maybe you've got a following on TikTok or YouTube or Instagram, maybe you have a channel where you're talking about travel, then you can drop your Klook travel affiliate link, and when somebody clicks on it and buys a travel package or whatever, you make 5% commissions on it. Okay, it's as simple as that, right? And then what happens is Involve Asia will pay you a commission, and usually the way it works is they'll pay you through PayPal or Wire. So if you've got a local bank account, they'll transfer directly to your local bank account in Malaysia, right? And it comes 7 to 10 working days after you request payment, okay? Not after you make the sale, but 7 to 10 days after you request payment. That's not bad. It's pretty normal in the affiliate marketing world. So, nothing too crazy, all right? Now, so that's all great and good, but there are a couple of issues here, all right, just so that you understand how affiliate marketing works. It's not that Involve Asia is a bad network. It's fine, The thing, though, is that if you're a beginner and you don't have a following, okay, so for example, if you're an absolute beginner and you don't have a big TikTok channel or a big blog about travel in this particular example, it's very difficult to come on here, grab one of the affiliate links and promote it, because you're not going to make much money. I mean, think about it, right? 5% commissions. Let's do the math. Math is very, very important, okay? Let's say your goal is to make 10,000 US dollars. I like to speak in US dollars because I sell things online. I sell it to the world, right? And everything online is done in USD, okay? If you are based in Malaysia or Asia, I want you to think higher, because you don't want to sell or calculate in your currency. Right now, I'm based in Malaysia, right? But I earn in USD online, all right? So even though this is a Malaysian affiliate network, I like to think broader. I like to think international, because there's so many affiliate networks out there that you can sell from. But I just want to do the calculations for you. 10,000 US dollars. We're not going to count in ringgit. We're going to count in USD, okay? If you wanted to make $10,000 and you're only making 5% commissions, let's just say the average Klook sale, and we'll do this in USD, okay, is, let's just say $50 or $100 for every, you know, tour package or whatever it is, okay? And that's pretty high. $50 times 5%, you're literally making $2.50 for every sale that you make. Now, how many $2.50 transactions do you have to make $10,000? Well, it's just 10,000 divided by $2.50 equals 4,000. Okay? Now, let me ask you a question. Do you think that you can make 4,000 sales, Klook sales, every single month? It's very, very hard. Okay, it's very hard. 4,000's a lot, all right? So it's not that you can't make commissions from this, it just depends on who you are, all right? If you're somebody that's already very established, you're a huge influencer, you got a big channel, you come on to Involve Asia, you sign up for free, you grab your links, you promote, it's very, very easy. You can make a little bit of money that way, right? But if you're a beginner, you have no exposure, you have no followers, you have no channel, it's going to be very difficult for you to make the big bucks by selling 5% commission products, okay? So Involve Asia is cool, but I think that it depends on who you are and what kind of following you have in order for you to generate income, all right? Now, whether you're based in, you know, Asia or you're based in the West, it doesn't matter. Affiliate marketing works the same way. You go to a network, you sign up for it, you partner up with any of the products or niches, you grab a link, you promote it. You make money. That's how it works, okay? Now, unfortunately, Involve Asia is just a network, so they don't teach you how to become a good affiliate marketer. They just provide you with the opportunity to sign up with some of the biggest brands in the world, okay? So please understand that their job is not really to help you to learn how to do it. They just provide you with access to partner up with the different companies so that you can promote it as an affiliate, all right? You have to learn the affiliate marketing side yourself, if that makes sense, okay? But if you're here right now and you're watching this and you want to sign up for Involve Asia, just come to involve.asia. You can sign up for it and you can partner up with any of these brands right here, okay? Now, if you are watching this video and you are a beginner and you don't know how to do this, maybe you're like, Aaron, I want to do affiliate marketing, but I don't know how to do it. I want to earn in US dollars. I want to learn how to market properly. And maybe you want to access commission products which are higher, right? Because I like to work with digital products. So I don't really like selling physical stuff, because when you sell a physical item, like a calculator, there's a manufacturing cost behind making this, so they can't pay you very high commissions. This one will be like a 3% commission product, right? If you want to sell a 50% commission product, it has to be digital, or it has to be a service, okay? That means it's a digital training, digital software. The commission rates are much, much higher, okay? So if you want to learn how to do that, on this channel, I have reviewed hundreds of different strategies, but the strategy that I really like is affiliate marketing. It changed my life. It helped me to quit my full-time job. It helped me to retire my mom, right? And if you want to learn how to earn in USD, you want to learn how to get access to high commission products, you want to learn how to market step-by-step properly, do this from anywhere in the world. It doesn't matter if you're based in Asia, Malaysia, Singapore, Thailand, or, you know, the US, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, you know, all of Europe, doesn't matter. I'm going to show you how to do that. I've got a free masterclass that details this step-by-step. If you want to check it out, click the link right below this video and you can access that if you want to check it out, right? I hope you enjoyed this review of Involve Asia. All the best to you. I will see you on the next video review. Take care.